Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Wix booking system. The booking system basically just allows people to create bookings within your website. This can be bookings for example, different services, different products, whatever it is that you have on your site. It basically just helps with managing that. So first, all you need to do is head to the Wix website and log in. Once you've logged in, if you do not have a website, click on Design Site. But since I already have one, I'm going to go to Site. I'm going to click Site Settings and then go to Editor. Whether you created a new website or went to your site editor, you'll be brought to the Wix editor page. From here, to create a booking system, all you need to do is head over to Add Apps. And on the search apps, simply type in booking and you'll see there's one called Wix Bookings. From here, you can click add to site. Now you'll see it created a whole different look to my page. Okay, now from here, if you click on it and then click on manage services, you'll be brought to the Wix booking system page. And from here, you can now set up everything how you would like it. You can also simply double click and from here you can add services, you can change the layouts, displays, designs, etc. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.